Hello everyone, I love pate. Today I make pate different new way, very interesting and delicious and easy and fast. I invite you to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. This means a lot to me. Thank you. So I have 100-gram breadcrumbs. I dry my breadcrumb myself, and I soaked it in milk. You can put the milk enough to cover the breadcrumbs. And I have 100 grams of chicken liver and 300 grams of pork butts. And onions and garlic and ginger and shallot. So all of them now go onto the grill, and I bring it to outside to grill under either on top of the fire. Notice that I already marinated chicken liver and pork meat. Now, this is the key for my surprising, delicious pate. That is the kiss of fire of smoke. I just go over both sides. When I saw them charred, and that's it, I remove. Now I remove all the dark spot. I don't want them in my pate. So I put on the grill so that my pate got smoke and aroma of the fire. But I don't want to cook through. This is just a beginning. Now I remove on the dark spot and put it together, and I will go right them. I use a ratio of 1:3 here, 100 grams of chicken liver and 300 grams of pork meat. I don't want to overwhelm anyone who doesn't like liver. So if you like liver, you can change the ratio 1:2, 1:1. Here my ratio is 1:3. So I'm done with the removing. Now I'm brought them to the food processor and process them. This is up to you now, the level of smoothness and fineness. You want very fine, you go a little longer. If not, just bones a little. Feel like a minute or two. I will steam them in my ramekins. I use ramekins so that the portion is small. Anytime I take out just one piece that I need, don't need to remove everything. Before I put the mousse into the ramekin, I oil the ramekin. Now I steam my pate for 30-45 minutes in the max. And they done because they are almost already cooked on the grill. You can see it's so easy done. Normally our traditional pate, we made it traditional way 5 hours because we use pork fat in it, and we need to cook down so that the fat render and mingle into the pate. This way I make it a little healthier and a lot faster. And the flavor is so wonderful because with the kiss of smoke and fire, wow, it's amazingly good. Now, to keep them in the freezer, I wrap them individually in parchment paper, and I will put in this box, plastic box, and put in the freezer. Anytime I need, I just bring 1 or 2 that I need. I don't need to I don't need to thaw everything, and then I don't use all of them, and it's going to waste. This one is fantastic. I hope you like my method. Give it a try. And if you like to see the traditional way that I make pate before, with chicken liver, with the pork liver, head to other videos and you will find out. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.